y'all, hey, it's Beachin with the Boones on this beautiful Saturday morning in Garden City, South Carolina. Let's go take a walk around and see if you can tell what's missing. Holla!
What's happening, everybody? If you love the beach just as much as we do, make sure you click that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you can keep beaching. We're going to take a walk right here in Garden City, South Carolina, to see what's missing.
And then we're gonna turn that way.
Yeah. You can hit the button. What? Here's Sam's.
We'll get that in just a few minutes.
There's the pier at Garden City. Get your breakfast. Walk here. You want to get over here? What? Painter's ice cream is gone. Let's go check it out from up top.
All right.
There's Sam's right across the street. They said they've been slinging weenies for how long?
46 years.
Slinging weenies for 46 years. Here's a bird's eye view from the pier.
Look at here. Come on, let's do this. And there you go. The late home of your Painter's ice cream.
Inside of the pier.
Opens daily from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. Yeah, they do.
Oh, thank you, sir. I forgot my I don't know if they're gonna do karaoke or not. Fall off of this thing and you'll know what's happening.
You got it on sale.
Still on. I was gonna tell them something about you tripping. There's Myrtle Beach and Surfside to our left. And there's Myrtle's Inlet right there to our right. And here's where they have bands in the summer. Well, it's confirmed. It looks like Painter's Ice Cream has been removed, and according to sources on the pier, they said it'll probably be used for parking. And, of course, Sam's Corner right here is back open.
And so now, I think it's time for a White Russian. As always, keep beaching.